It's a field trip. Alright guys, it is a field trip today. We need to get some parts for the car. We're kind of at a bit of a standstill right now. So I want to hopefully get a steering rack and pinion so we can finish off the front suspension and get that all rocking. The steering rack is going to have to get shortened, so we're going to have to cut the rack probably. There's a lot of guys that have done that in the past using the Mazda Miata rack and pinion. So I'm going to try to find a Miata and take everything off of that. So I need a steering rack and pinion, and then I'm also going to try to grab the whole steering column all the way up to the wheel. So then we got things like blinkers and cancels and things like that. And hopefully if we can get everything off of one car, it'll all match up and we won't have to mix parts or anything like that. So we're gonna aim for that, steering rack and pinion, steering column, and then if we can, I'll also get a handbrake lever. If we have a handbrake lever and all the steering components, we can basically finish off the interior of the car and start working on things like the filling panels and all that jazz. So, off to the junkyard. Alright, we found the car. This is God only knows what year Mazda Miata. The steering rack is still in there. Somebody ripped the motor out before I got here, but the rack's still in there. Looks like the column's still in there. We'll pull that out and then I'm gonna look around and see if there's another one. It wouldn't be a bad idea to have a spare rack and pinion for if we're gonna shorten it and do some grinding and stuff on it. Not a bad idea to have a spare. So let's rip into this thing and see if we can get the rack out. Alright, there's the steering rack out. That was pretty easy because somebody already pulled the motor out for me, so all the bolts were easy to get to. I think the steering column is going to be a little bit tougher. Somebody's already done some of the work, but I fear that most of it was done poorly. So, we'll give it a whirl though. Oh, that thing put up a fight. I ended up having to pull the clutch and brake pedal assembly off in order to get the firewall grommet out, so I get her out, but we got it. So that's all we can take off of this car. The handbrake lever is pretty pooched, so I'm gonna take those, go for a tour, see if we can find another Miata. Alright guys, we couldn't find another Miata. Turns out that they're a little bit rare. I walked up and down every aisle in that junkyard and found about 1,000 Honda Civics, but there was only the one Miata. So we just got the one rack to work with. I did check online though, and I think I can get like a remanufactured rack, like basically brand new, for under 200 bucks. So we're gonna try the shortening process on this rack, and if everything goes well, we can use it. If we find that this one's too beat up, We'll still shorten it and we'll do all the design work and everything with this rack. And then when it comes time to spend a little bit of money on the car, we'll buy a new one and we'll chop it up. Like I said, like the new ones they're cheap. They're only 200 bucks. So we got that. We got a steering column. It's gonna take a bit of work to get it in the car, and we might have to do some modifications to it, but at least we got something to start with. And then I also got a handbrake lever. This is like a Dodge Caliber, I think. I know I'm using Dodge parts. But I picked it because it's got a nice narrow mounting on it, and it's actually a pretty narrow lever. So we can mount this beside the drive shaft and kind of sink it into the tunnel, and we'll have clearance around it. So, all right. The next step is going to be cleaning all this stuff up before we do the shortening on it, but that's boring to watch, so I'm going to call an episode there. Next week, we'll delve into actually cutting this thing apart. So, until then, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. Go check us out on Instagram, Leftfootfirst Media, and we'll see you next week. I'm out of here.